Just wait until he chews that one up, then give it to him, darling.
Why?
Yes. In his mouth? He didn't get it in his mouth.
I
There.
did.
That's it.
Yeah. Can I have some more?
Yeah, can give him some more.
Dad, I feed him.
You are.
To his grandma.
You've got a thing of
Look.
not so much underneath, on the top. That's it. Oh, put it in his mouth, darling. Don't let him have it open. Wait,
Is he following that?
yeah.
What's he going to do?
What am I going to do? What do I always do with you? That's good. Don't torment him. That's not nice. Because you'll think she's being mean. You're not meant to be mean, are you?
I'm not going to eat this.
No.
Big teeth.
You used to eat it when you were little. When you were little, put it in his mouth. In his mouth. Good boy. Good boy.
He's
Good
got too much.
Look, it's a bottomless pit.
I
Careful, careful, careful,
Careful.
careful. She's a bit slow off the mark, isn't she?